Alright, so time to do a quick remotor. This is Singer 1802. I don't remember if I had it on the channel. It came in, the motor on it was burnt out, barely turned. I've checked it out, it seems to be working otherwise, and so it's time to put a new motor on it. And so I've got one of these generic motor kits. The one I grabbed is got a belt, spare brushes, the pedal, comes with this mount. The plug is built into the mount, and it takes the standard belt, and it mounts up on the machine the way all the Singer and Japanese style these brackets work. So you have to check your original belt and see if when you hang the motor from the belt, we can get our bolt in. And this belt is going to be way too short for this new motor setup, so we'll slip the belt off there. And is the new belt longer? That's the main challenge of these, is just getting the right size belt, or getting a belt that'll work. So throw our new belt on, pop it in here. The new belt is also oh, I think I can adjust this bracket, slip the motor in, and then that belt is probably going to be just exactly the right length. And then once we've got the belt and the motor fitted in place, we'll pop this controller plug apart and wire the light pigtail in here. This plug has this pinch dimple here, so it's live power here and here, and then that pin is where the motor controller comes in. So the light will just put in on the two live power side, and then this machine will have light and a new motor on it. Alright, so because this machine, the fixture is up in there and I can't get any further on it, it's going to be challenging to show rewiring it, but I'm just going to clip this pigtail off, and we'll strip out a bit of wire to make loops with, and then I'll open up that this connector is just screwed onto the plate here. And a plastic cover on the back there. And it only has two screws. That third screw on this one is an M3 metric. So I'm gonna grab an M3 metric screw out of my box, and then I'll wire up that the two wires from the light on here, and this machine will have a new motor shortly. Alright, new motor in place. Our wire for our light comes around into the plug here. It's tucked back so that it doesn't touch the belt there. And now this machine is running okay. So if you got a machine with a burnt out motor that somebody was rough on, I find that a lot of people will get, if their machine is locked up, they will be really rough on it to get a to try and free it up, or they'll run it hard and they won't be paying attention, and then they will burn out one of the coils in the motor from the motor getting locked up and overloaded. And these generic kits are a quick way to get machines that would otherwise require a very expensive replacement motor back in operation. So I am going to finish checking this machine out, and then it should be ready to go soon.